This is going to be an unboxing for the Eluktronics Prometheus XVI G2 RTX 4080 gaming laptop. I had honestly never really heard of this company, and there's really not that many YouTube videos as well, but someone on Reddit had recommended these as a potential gaming laptop to get. I researched them a little bit, and people on Reddit seem to like them, but again, there's really not that much coverage on them, but the laptop has some pretty high-end specs, and the price was pretty good. I got it for $2,000 on Amazon, and I'm trying to make it my gaming laptop and editing machine. Right now I use two laptops. I use a Windows gaming laptop from Asus, and then I have a MacBook Pro M1 Pro as my editing rig. So without further ado, we're gonna do unboxing today, and I'm gonna tell you everything I like and don't like just physically about it, and then I'll put more videos out about this just so you know what comes inside the box. Inside the box you get thank you, welcome to Eluktronics family. We know you could have gone with any other brand, but you chose us, and for that we are forever grateful, or at least until you want to upgrade again. Once you had a chance to put it through its paces, feel like a pro, we'd be thrilled if you could share your experience with the world, or at least where you purchased it. They all go on to say that please keep the packaging for a duration of your warranty. Please hold on to the packaging as the safest way to ship your products in rare case where you might need to use your warranty. It has USA-based support. If you have any questions or concerns, the nerds aren't in call centers reading prompts. They actually know the ins and outs of your product and are ready to troubleshoot any problem you might have. It tells you when you can call, the phone number, and the QR code to go to the website. That's actually one of the reasons I got this is support. They said the people that have dealt with the support that I've read on Reddit and stuff have been very happy with it. Even on the Amazon reviews, most people are pretty happy with all that. You can see warranty information for the 1%. So reading this or opening the new powerhouse of a laptop, scan QR code and go to. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's a 1-year warranty, but you can upgrade to an extended warranty all the way up to 10 months of owning this whole thing. Now I want to point out that this actually comes with a liquid cooling unit. This is a $250 value. I got it completely free, quote unquote, because nothing's really free, but I didn't have to pay extra for it. They threw it in the box, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It comes with like a little manual, and basically the way it works is it's going to plug in to the, I believe it's the side of the laptop, and I'll show that probably in a different video, but just to show you, it's pretty big, and basically you should get better cooling temperatures and things like that. Here's where it is. It comes with this cord right here that you can plug in. You can see right there. Here's what it looks like. It has all the, where you plug it in there and stuff. So again, it's gonna keep your laptop cooler so you can game longer and at higher performance rates. So pretty cool. At least that's theoretically what it's supposed to do. Do not use coolants, distilled water only, so you have to add your water into this. And I guess you just peel that off. Just pull that right there for now. See if I can get this off. There you go. And that's where you put your distilled water. And then when you're done, just put this back, and it should snap right back in. There it goes. And here's the box right here. You can see Intel Core i9-13900HX processor, NVIDIA GTX, or RTX I should say. It is a 4080, it doesn't say on there. 16-inch, 240 Hz QHD display, so 2K resolution. Thunderbolt 4 port, liquid cooling capabilities, NKR4 zone membrane keyboard, customizable RGB light bars, liquid metal applied to CPU and GPU. All right, so here's the laptop. Here is the power brick, and if you know, power bricks on gaming laptops are absolutely humongous. That's the input. There's the plug. So it's pretty big. You know, not as big as the laptop, but again, pretty large. Everything was wrapped up and wrapped with plastic and stuff, so it shouldn't be dirty or anything when you get it. There's definitely a lot of plastic on the back here. Here's the book that it comes with, some stickers from the different manufacturers that are on there. I'm not gonna put those on. Powering on, tells you kind of how to use it. There's also a sticker right here for the trackpad. The laptop is definitely pretty big. I'm not sure exact weight, so I'll just I'll look it up and put it on the screen. But you can see you get 2 USB ports, you get a SD card slot, you get a bunch of fans on the back as well, with 2 ports, it looks like, for the liquid cooling, most likely right there. USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, power, more fans. Close that. Fans and vents at the bottom, so it's really well ventilated. More USB, looks like microphone and headphone jacks. And then on the front, don't see anything. Open it up. And I believe this comes in black as well if you order from their website. I ordered it from Amazon, so that's why I think they only sell it in white. But you can see right there, there's the power button right there. It should turn it on. I didn't charge this at all, but it should power on. Looks like it is powering on right now. You can see some LED lights at the bottom there. It actually goes all the way around. Pretty cool. For all you gamers out there. So there you guys go. That is the Prometheus XVI G2 RTX 4080 gaming laptop. That was just an unboxing. I will show you this more. I'm gonna do more videos on this because I need to set it up and go through the paces. That way I can give you a kind of another look and like a first impressions of it. But I just wanted to get an unboxing because I've literally seen almost no videos on this thing. So I wanted you to see what comes inside the box. And the extra liquid cooling thing is an extra throw-in. Again, a $250 or $300 value at that, so it was really cool to grab that. If you want to buy a laptop from them, I'll link them down below. You can go directly to their website or Amazon. So check them out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.